this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. Come on then. Well, he always wants to be on camera. I talk, therefore I must be talking to him. This is not the usual Fabric Friday tutorial or anything like that. It's just to let you know my plans for the channel moving forward. As you may have seen the other day, I put out a video on Monday showing one of my new greenhouses, and because I want to grow a lot more veg than I do at the moment. In fact, it's going to be most of the veg that we eat per year I will be growing from now on, because of moving things around and having a large greenhouse, well two actually, for growing tomatoes and that. So I will be putting out videos from time to time on my progress in the garden. I'll still be putting ones out from time to time about cooking or preserving different things, especially preserving things that have come from the garden. But at the moment, all my time is focused towards next year's growing season, and I can't do that much outside because the weather's gone colder and my knees and everything. So Lurch is doing it on his rest days in bits, and I do what I can when I can. But my brain is still occupied with the things that I want to grow and where to do best and where it'll fit, and working all that out, because I've got a plan that has already had to alter slightly. Building plan for the beds and that, it's already altered slightly. I've been designing, I haven't yet made me propagating bench and loads of other things. So I have not had much time at all to come and sew. Plus, with it run up to Christmas, when I do get in my sewing room like today, I've got to really knuckle down and do some gifts for Christmas. So I want to get them done fairly fast because it's now the 2nd of December anyway. So it's going to take me a lot longer if I video it and step by step and everything. So it'll just be showing you what I've done. Having said that, I showed you a while ago me appliquing some chickens for placemats, and I have done them. It's a brown one, another brown one but facing the opposite way, two coloured, a black one, another two coloured, and then two white ones. So those I have finished now, and on the back of some of them is actually chicken fabric. Some of them it's just the gingham. So for a while I've only been coming up into the sewing room about once a week and just moving along on the placemats, doing some, getting them a bit closer to being finished, and now they're finished. I've also got here, it's a frill that's going around the tablecloth that will match those placemats, and I've done a lot of it, but that needs moving on and finishing off. And as I say, I've got the Christmas things that I want to make as well. So what I've decided to do, I was going to start this from the 1st of January onwards, but I think I'll start it from now. Uh, if I put out a video on a Friday, it will be fabric related, whether it be a tutorial on making a quilt, binding, making clothes, or what, or just a chat about it. But if I put a video out on a Monday, it will be everything else basically. Garden updates, what I'm doing in the garden, cooking, preserving, all the rest. So I'll be only putting out one video a week. This is what I'm thinking. And that'll be Monday for everything apart from fabric related, and Friday is fabric related. And that's what I'm going to do moving forward. But I actually might take some time off from doing videos. I don't know. It's all in the air. My brain is not settling at all because something isn't right, which is the garden. It looks like a building site at the moment, which it basically is. But that's how it is this week and moving forward. Thank you. Bye.